We are now going to go through the wholes and proportions. This is part 2, missing the whole. So let's go through the problem. So in this one, Carlos is told that 65% of the students, or 78 students, prefer pizza for lunch according to a recent survey. He wants to know how many students participate in the survey. So we're going to use the part over whole equals percent over 100. So let's go through this problem. Okay, so when I look at this, I know for a fact that if I do my part over whole equals percent over 100, I'm just going to put this over 100 just so I start it out like this. I know my percent right now is automatically 65 because it has the percent sign. Now, 65% of the students. So do we know the whole? No, we just know it's 65% of the students. So we don't know how many students. We're going to just put an X there, a variable. And then it says, or 78 students. So 78 students, which is 65% of the students, which we don't know the of, is going to prefer pizza for lunch. So this is how we set it up. The part is 78 over the X equals 65 over 100. And we're going to do the same method where we're going to, first, we multiply the 78 times 100. And I'm going to put it right here. So 78 times 100. And we're going to put it equal to the other part, which is over here. And that's going to go over on this side, so 65x. So now, when I go 78 times 100, because it's got two zeros, it's going to be 7,800 equals 65x. Now, this is multiplication on this side. We need to undo and figure out what our multiplication is. So in order to undo it, we actually divide both sides by 65. So divide by 65. Divide by 65. This is where I need my handy-dandy calculator. So I'm going to go 7,800 divided by 65, and I get 120. So on this one, x equals 120. And you can check it by saying, okay, if x equals 120 is 120, 65% of the students, it is, because 120 times 0.65 is 78. So that's how you do it if you're missing the whole.